Surgeon General says for us to stop getting the COVID vaccine.
Fox 35's Hannah McKenzie is joining us live in the Alert Center tonight. So, Hannah, he says what's in the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines is a problem.
Yeah, Luann, John, Florida Surgeon General Dr. Latipo says he has safety concerns pertaining to the discovery of billions of DNA fragments found per dose in the Pfizer and Moderna COVID vaccines. And he says those concerns have not been addressed by the FDA or the CDC. Dr. Latipo says if the risks of DNA integration with COVID vaccines cannot be addressed, then the vaccines aren't appropriate for use in humans. He says he sent letters to the heads of the FDA and the CDC specifically questioning how this would impact humans in three main areas: healthy human genes being transformed into cancerous cells, chromosomal instability, and how the integration could affect unintended parts of the body, such as the heart, brain, lungs, even the injection site itself. We asked local Dr. Michael Sparks to weigh in. Dr. Sparks telling us with the state Surgeon General saying one thing and the FDA another, health providers are left stuck in the middle.
Guys, as you can see, the Surgeon General is saying that the virus is deemed unsafe. Now they are requesting all humans to stop taking the virus and saying that the virus can be prone to add cancerous cells. It can affect your heart and your lung. If you know anyone that has taken the virus, guys, watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to explain what this means and how to detox from the virus. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, now create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense to your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about this virus and how to handle it. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, this video is a little difficult for me to talk about in all honesty, but I honestly feel like this is very important for anyone's audience, especially if you have resource and information to teach people how to deal with it. I know that if we all have know someone that has either taken the virus or we have taken the virus ourselves, in all honesty, a lot of people regret it, right? And now these studies are coming back and saying that they are not safe for human consumption, and a lot of people, including a lot of celebrities, has been getting a lot of side effects conclusive to those studies. Now the Surgeon General versus the CDC and the FDA is having a debacle, right? So the Surgeon General, I believe in Georgia, found out that these DNA fragments that's in the virus is not great for human consumption, and the studies is converging to a actual phenomenon to explain what's going on with a lot of rare instances of people dropping like flies. So In today's video, I wanted to bring a lot of reflection, not on conspiracy, whether the virus is good or bad, but I also wanted to actually bring resource to how to handle it. So inside the video, I'm going to explain a series of detoxifications for you to actually start detoxing your body from this vaccine. So that's fine. So what I want to do now is show you guys a clip of a guy that actually did the studies for detoxing from the vaccine, and he has all of the information with 3 simple ingredients that you can find on Amazon or the grocery store, and he's going to give it to you guys. Say so.
So yesterday was a historic day as the very first detoxification protocol was published in the U.S. medical literature that gives people a chance to take this whole issue into their own hands and use natural substances to begin to help the body clear this very dangerous protein from its cells and tissues. And it involves 3 natural substances that are available over the counter at any type of online retailer or at a natural food store or pharmacy. And they are nattokinase, which is an enzyme that's derived from the fermentation of soy, bromelain, which is a set of enzymes derived from the stems of pineapple. By the way, bromelain is a U.S. FDA-approved drug as a topical treatment for wounds. And then the third is curcumin, derived from turmeric. The doses of nattokinase are 2,000 units twice a day, bromelain 500 milligrams a day, and curcumin 500 milligrams 3 times a day. The duration in this publication, and I'm the first author, so I'm the one to bring this forward, is at least 3 months. I think for people who have taken multiple shots, 12 months or more.
Now guys, as you can see, those ingredients is not hard to find. Now you probably never heard of most of them, but once you actually do the research and actually take the dosage, your body will start detoxifying from those DNA fragments that's in the vaccine. So guys, I'm not here to create a debate for the vaccine or whether it's good or bad, but I know that it was very soon for them to create something that was conclusive for an entire planet. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Do you feel like this is something that can help, or do you feel like this is another series for conspiracy? Let me know in the comment section whether it's good or bad. I'm definitely interested in your opinion, and I'll see you there. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.